Hey guys, welcome back to another one. This is Crypto Elite, home to the #1 Theta community. And if you like this content, please like and subscribe to the channel. And you can find me on Theta TV as well. All right guys, in today's video, another exciting video. This will be a quick how-to video, and it's going to be how to purchase this NFT for the Dionne Warwick, the VIP pass, and then we're going to get access to THETA JUKEBOX. And this is a brand new application on the THETA ecosystem, and I think there is a lot of potential here. So as of right now, I did not purchase anything on THETA Drop, so we will go to THETAJukebox.com and then see if we can access it. As of right now, Dionne Warwick is the only option that we can select. So we'll select it, and it gives us this little page with a little bit of background history, and we can verify ownership. As of right now, like I said, I don't have anything. I'm going to link my account, and unfortunately it says access is denied. Your authentication with the THETA Jukebox has failed, and I can re-verify my ownership, or I can purchase your access pass in order to access this website. And that's what we're going to do right now. So I can either click here, which should take me to thetajukebox.com. It'll take me to the marketplace, which actually technically the marketplace has not opened yet. With the way that THETA Drop works, if I go back to the home page, the marketplace opens when this drop officially closes. And because the drop is still technically live, we'll view the drop right now. And as you can see, there's about 5 days remaining. So after this 5 days expires, then the marketplace, the secondary marketplace, will open up. So as of right now, you can only purchase these tickets directly through THETA. And then after this 5 days, there's going to be a secondary marketplace. So anyone who purchases one of these NFTs, like myself, I'm about to purchase one after 5 days, then I can relist this to resale in the future. As of right now, there's about 778 that have been sold, and I will probably be the 779th purchase. Now, in order to fund your account, that'll be the first thing. You can either pay with US dollars or TFUEL, Theta Fuel, and that's part of the Theta ecosystem. You can check out some of my previous videos on how to fund your account. It's really easy. You can pay with a credit card, so they do make it very, very user intuitive and very easy to purchase. For us, we're going to pay with TFUEL. I have a small TFUEL balance on THETA Drop right now, and with that, I'm also going to earn some T-Drop or THETA Drop tokens, and that is a TNT20 token that will help me out in the ThetaDrop.com website, and I'll talk more to that on a different video, or you can check out some of my previous videos for more information there. The good thing about paying with Theta Fuel versus US dollars and credit card, I get to save about 5%, so I'm going to pay with TFUEL. And it's submitting payment right now. And there we are. As you can see, this is my overall NFT collection right now. Not very large, but I am very proud of my small but elite, I'll say elite NFT collection right here. And we will just wait for edition number 780 to mint. It may take some time, but we will see if I am able to go into the THETA Jukebox with that NFT. Technically hasn't minted, but we'll see if it allows me to. So I'm going to link account once again, and congrats, now I am in. So unfortunately, because this is something that I want everyone to go out and purchase, I am going to block everything that is in here currently, because I do want people to go out, support the THETA ecosystem. There is a lot of good stuff. I will just talk to some of it. Right now, we can see that there is an overall Dionne Warwick, the legendary, timeless, distinctive, beautiful, inspirational. They give a little bit of overview once again. They released the song, which is Smile, and a part of the proceeds, it does go to a very good cause, Operation Smile. And as of right now, I can listen to that song. Once again, I'll let everyone go out and purchase this NFT. There's also a jukebox where you can listen to other songs that she's released in the past, and a lot of other not only songs, but videos as well. There's also some live content where you can check out some of the things that she's done in the past as well. There's some a gallery, and once again, an overall who is this individual. So I do really like this, and I think there's going to be more and more different artists and actresses and actors who get released on THETA Jukebox. So that is one thing that you can look forward to if you do purchase this. And all this is due to the THETA NFT DRM technology, and this allows that verifiable NFT in order to access certain things like THETA Jukebox. So NFT digital rights management represents a new way to return power to content creators by allowing them to direct control over their own content distribution. So unlike the DRM most people are familiar with, where a content publisher may arbitrarily revoke your access to content you already purchased, NFT DRM means your access to the content is verifiable and irrevocable on-chain in the form of an immutable NFT. It also means more protection for content creators, since they can verify that only people that acquire the appropriate NFT have access to content represented by that NFT. And that's why, although I did have access, I do want everyone to go out there and purchase that NFT in order to access THETA Jukebox. It is very neat. It is very innovative. So I do like what they're doing. So definitely go out. It goes to a good cause, and it's actually very, very neat too. I look forward to listening to the song here after this video. But in summary, guys, I don't want to make this video too long. This was just a quick how-to video, how to purchase an NFT, and then how to get access to THETA Jukebox. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below, and I will see you on the next one.